Being productive and making the most out of your time is one of the core essence of being a Muslim, because bro, we will be asked about our time on the day of judgment. You will not be able to move from in front of Allah without telling Him how you spent your time and how you spent your youth, bro. Because bro, our time as a Muslim is so important, because we have two things to do on this world. One is like to worship Allah, and the other is to like conquer this world. And so bro, Muslim and laziness, bro, these are like water and oil. They cannot go together. Being a Muslim, you cannot be lazy. You cannot have like time and you're like there, there and there, and you're like they are like doing nothing and lying there, and I'm saying, oh, I'm so bored, and then going to Instagram or do some social media and then scrolling and thinking that, oh bro, I'm being productive, I'm learning so many things. Ooh. No bro, being a Muslim, you cannot be unproductive. You cannot be free and lazy in your day, because bro, you have so many things to do. And bro, for the past like around 2 years, I have watched like hundreds, if not thousands of videos and podcasts on how to be productive and make the most out of your time. And so these are the best things that I have found helpful. So you might have heard that when the Prophet peace be upon him said that when a person is sleeping, Shaitan knots like 3 knots on the back of your head, and he tells you sleep and so one of these knots opens when you wake up, and then another when you do wudu, and the last one when you pray Fajr, bro. Because Fajr is so powerful. And bro, the person who does not pray Fajr, Shaitan like pees in his ears, and then that person cannot be productive in the entire day. Because bro, how the hell can you be productive when Shaitan is like peeing in your ears? And this is your like CEO morning routine. Never leave Fajr. Because I have personally experienced that the days I don't pray Fajr on, like no matter what I am able to do in those days, at the end of the day, I never feel that that day was productive enough. No day can be productive without Fajr in that day. And bro, I feel like most people don't even know what being productive means. Most people think that being productive means that you are working all day, and if somebody says that he is productive all throughout his day, he is lying, because nobody can work for the entire day. But bro, being productive does not mean that you are working all the day. Being productive means that you are just doing the best move on the board. And so in this way, at night time bro, the most productive thing that you can do is pray Isha and then go to sleep. And in the morning bro, the most productive thing you can do is pray Fajr and then get to your work. You must have a time, like you must have a time in your day where you do the like hardest task of your entire day, where you're like not doing anything else, where you're like locked in your room and then you are doing the hardest task of your day. For me, that's like scripting, studying, recording. And bro, if you're a student, the hardest task of your day would be like studying. So what you do is you like wake up, you like pray Fajr, and then you get to do the hardest task of your day. You work on the hardest task of your day while like most of the world is still sleeping. The subject you hate the most, and that is the most difficult, do it the first, and by the end of the year, that subject will be the most easiest to you. I promise that to you, and that is my promise to you. If you start doing eat the frog task and like you do it in a deep work fashion, which means that you don't like check your phone every 5 minutes, you don't like call someone, like this is one of the best tactics that can help you to be productive as a Muslim. But if you don't do the hardest task of your day in the morning, you would not be able to be mentally free, and your brain would be thinking like, oh, I have to do that task, oh, I have to do that task. But most people ask me, how do I know what is the hardest task of my day? How do I know what task to do in the morning? Make a list of things the night before, bro. Like write the things you are going to do the next day, the night before. Because bro, when you write the things you want to do the next day, you write it with your cold masculine logic. And so when you wake up in the morning and you're like feeling tired and you're like not feeling like it and you don't want to do it, you would look at that paper and you would think to yourself, my past self wrote that paper, so I have to do these tasks. So bro, every night before going to sleep, you take a piece of paper and you write the things you are going to do in the morning. No day can be productive if you don't know what the hell you're going to do on that day. Because how can you be productive if you don't even know what you are going to do on that day? And the last thing is, bro, go to sleep early. Like bro, don't drink Red Bull or don't drink like cafe or tea or something. Don't drink those things and do an all-nighter and study all night. No bro, this is like one of the idiotic things most students, like 99% of the students, and even you do, is that they stay up late in the night and they don't wake up early in the mornings, and so they like go to sleep at like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Oh bro, I studied all night yesterday. Oh, I was so productive. No bro, you cannot be productive if the dua of the Prophet peace be upon him is working against you. And so the Prophet peace be upon him made dua that, oh Allah, put barakah for my ummah in the early hours of the day. And so bro, you cannot be productive when the dua of the Prophet peace be upon him is working against you. Bro, go to sleep early after Isha. Like I personally go to sleep at like 9:30, and like Isha is at like 9 a.m. And so like after praying Isha, I don't do anything else other than just writing my list of things that I'm going to do the next day, and then I go to sleep after Isha. And so in this way, in the morning I have like 4 hours in the morning where like nobody can like disturb me. And bro, you need to know that 4 hours of the day are not created equal. You might have like experienced this, that bro, 1 hour in the morning is like 4 hours. That's like 4 hours. When you're like the hour from 6 to 7 is like 4 hours, and like 1 hour in the evening is like 5 minutes. Like you just look at the time 5 minutes ago, and then you look at it 5 minutes later, and an hour has already passed away. So if you want to have the advantage on your side as a student, and you want to like dominate your entire campus, start waking up early and start going to sleep early. And bro, do your deep work session and do your eat the frog task, and never ever 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 miss your Fajr prayer. And so do good, and I'll see you in Jannah. Wow.